plant that we actually study, one of the plants we study is white clover, the humble clover that's on pretty much everyone's lawn. They exhibit specific genetic and chemical changes that make them better adapted to colder environments or to warmer environments. Well, we were aware of this work and thought, hey, this would be a great model to understand, can plants actually adapt to urban heat islands, where it's warmer in the center of a city than it is in the suburbs or in the outlying areas, in the rural and other non-urban areas. And so we're trying to understand, how does this influence not just the ecology, but the evolution of organisms? One of the things that we ended up doing is we started looking at different cities. And so we looked at, okay, do we see the same types of adaptations that we see in Toronto, in New York City, in Boston, in Montreal? And sure enough, what we find is not only were they adapting, but this was one of the most stunning and strongest results I've ever seen from any of the research that we've done. At this point, we realized, hey, we can actually scale this up very quickly. We've got the methods down very precisely. And so we launched this global urban evolution project, which we call GLUE, out to the community through Twitter and other social media platforms. And so we ended up with 160 cities on every inhabited continent in the world and 277 collaborators. This is, I believe, the largest collaborative project in evolutionary biology that's ever been attempted or done.